I'm Blake Schwank with Colorado Computer Support, and thank you for joining us for another episode of Cyber Saturday. What I want to talk to you about this week is what do you do about all this cloud stuff that you're using, and how do you make sure it's backed up, or what do you do when it goes down? And this came up because the Ultimate Kronos group that does time tracking and payroll and HR applications for a lot of large companies, including Tesla and several other companies, went offline. They got hit with ransomware. They sent out a message to their clients today saying we're going to be offline for several weeks, not several hours, but several weeks. People are going to have to go back to paying people, doing payroll on checks and spreadsheets and everything else. And it's a huge hassle, especially considering it's 2 weeks before Christmas, not even 2 weeks before Christmas. And so, what do you do if you have all these tools out there? So, we do business continuity plans, some companies do, of what do we do when our servers online or in the office go down? How do we restore them? Do we practice it, do whatever? But what about all this cloud stuff that you have? Have you ever done an inventory of all the cloud things that you have, be it Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, Google Email, Office 365, your accounting software, even your security system and your door lock system and your camera system? What about all these things that are out on the cloud? If they happen to go offline, you need to have them in your business continuity plan. What are you going to do? What's your backup plan when they go offline? In this case, they're manually writing checks. Does anybody even know where the checks are? So you want to make sure you take that into account, because you want to download data occasionally. Go out and, even though you think they're backing it up, go out and manually do a backup. We back up our clients' Office 365 and Gmail environments because we know that someday they may be down for a couple days, or they may not be able to restore something that goes away. Do the same thing yourself. Even most businesses, even if they don't have a backup button, you can go do an export of your data. So if you've got all your payroll data, occasionally go do an export of all that payroll data, save it to a local drive, save it to your OneDrive, something else, so that you have it easily accessible. Put a calendar reminder in there every Friday. Go export payroll data. That way you're protected if your cloud solution goes down. So hopefully this has been helpful. I know we can't always automate everything. Someone's got to go out and do that. But help protect your business, and then write it down what you're doing, and make sure that when that person leaves that was doing it, that it gets passed on to the next person. Hopefully this is helpful. Hope you guys have a wonderful new year coming up, a wonderful holiday season. And again, I'm Blake Schwank with Colorado Computer Support. If you like this video, if you like our tech tips, please subscribe to our YouTube videos. Like us on Facebook and LinkedIn, and have a great rest of your week.